Spain. My trip to Spain the most beautiful than ever life. Cathedral of the Almudena. Last year my cousin and went on vacation to Spain. This trip we have been planning for 3 years, but we have not been able to go. Lack of money. The place that attracted us were the main square, the Almudena Cathedral, and the Statue del Espartero, so we visit them. I already needed to be with my family, so we went to enjoy the climate of Spain. Main Square. We arrived at the hotel at night, so we had to rest. When I napped, we immediately went to the Almudena Cathedral, then went to a restaurant. I was very excited, so it meant trying different food and ordered something called octopus a la galera, very rich and exquisite by the way. I remember very well that I spent 2 hours having breakfast, and from there went to the hotel to rest a little while. My parents marked me and asked we how were doing. That day we no longer went out or stayed in the hotel halls. Espartero statue. The next day we visit the Espartero statue, where were taking hundreds of photos. For hours we did not stop observing the virtue a lead statue, and finally went to the main square. It is very large and beautiful. That day we had a lot of fun because we walked and bought where they and we did no doubt those days were very happy for me.